All right, this is my New Holland TC-45. It comes with a tilt wheel. And as you can see, it flops back down. The problem is in here, in this mechanism in here, the cylinder itself is leaking or it's stuck in the release position. The reality is, I don't care. I don't use the tilt wheel. I just climb on there and drive. I'm not on there long enough. It's $149 to get that cylinder from New Holland. You have to take both panels off and do some other nonsense. Not doing it. It's a 10 millimeter shaft. So I got a cable, 10 millimeters in diameter from one point to the other. I'm going to take that and clamp it on that rod in the up position. Then it won't be flopping. It'll be a permanent up shaft. I won't have to fix it when the rods vibrate out, all that nonsense. So that's my fix. Costs $3. Okay, the shaft is 10 millimeters, so I bought a 10 millimeter clamp. It's basically a cable clamp. And I'm going to slide that on the shaft, tighten it down, put some Loctite on it, and lock my steering wheel in one place so I don't have to keep fixing this silly thing. So that's the next step. All right, it's all tightened up. I scar up the threads. I tap them in so that it helps to lock the bolt. You can use a locking nut or thread lock on it. Thread lock, red or blue is what I usually use, and that holds it in place pretty good. So it's got a little slop in it, see it right there, but it's not like it was. So I could force that down a little bit more, but it's really good enough. Now I'll put the two bolts back in, 1, 2 here, and then 2 bolts over here, 1, 2 there. This will slide all back in place, makes it easy to fix. So there's only 4 bolts to take it off. Put that on. You don't have to put a $150 cylinder, and it gets you there. So, well, have fun. It works. I know it's kind of a cobbled job, so you don't have tilt anymore, but to be honest with you, I didn't use the tilt that much anyway. So, have a good day. I twisted a couple strands of soft copper in there to tighten the lock position so it won't move at all. Look, you can see all the way back in there. I'm going to be turning it so don't get sick on me. See where I got one started and one above that. I'll put in next. And what I use is I use an extension, 1/2 inch, and just slide them in. Once I got the clamp on there, it wasn't quite tight enough. So instead of loosening it up and forcing it down, I just wrapped some copper, soft copper wire, as you saw, on there, and now it's pretty firm. I mean, it's where it needs to be. It's not moving. It's not falling in my lap anymore. So, and it still telescopes. You loosen this bolt, or this, there's a nut underneath there. You loosen this, and this will slide up and down. So, but anyway, that's a cheap fix, and I won't have to mess with it again for quite a while.